mind after you where you want and where you forget. That's where you lose focus and lose out. Me no want a friend where as me a cuss about the buckle of water, it reach from the media. King Mixup have it, Pink One have it, Motamasi have it, everybody have it. Me no run them joke. They see it, me a blood clad friend. And me a fall out. Let me tell you blood clad is fall out and go on by Yago. Fall out and go on with Yago. Don't come throw no word for me. Don't come follow me up. Come in and follow up nobody. If me and you vex, make me you vex and it go on. You know much people do mind for see me and my friend Pinky did in an argument and problem. I may never give them the time of the day. Me never come out, come cuss and say this and say that. And when them come and them say, yes, Pinky said this, and we know them go to her and say, Pamputtae said this and Pamputtae said that. It never work. Me not dep on certain things, brother. Allow me, man. Don't come like you want to come bring me down every minute, but this is a least good thing. You're not ready for come say this and say that. Me have no friend to have things. Me no bad mind them. Me no bad mind them. I mean, not say nobody don't not say me forget it. Cause probably gonna have better in store than what them have with me forget. Cause sometimes when a bad mind and corrupt and kill some people for some things, and the things them gotta face it better than what your friend did have. Better than what a person did have, and you not even know. But I just wait for week and continue work. Me not ask you. God have better in store for me. Whole heap of things they in store for me. I just the time, I got on time, and it will happen, I will see. You can't force me for hate people. You can't force me for grudge people for them things. You can't want me for bad mind people for help me and give me things. And me not grow up. My mother did from me at 10. I'm in the streets. Me get pregnant early and drop out of school. Me never have no way to turn to but down a town in the streets. That's how when you see me down a town, I buy me things them from the people them. No say nothing to me, no allow me. Allow me to see me and support the people them down a town. Cause remember where me I come from. Sometimes I got a town for all the whole day. I not even sell $1 for buy not even a lunch. But I for hold it like a G. So I know how it feel. You know much people right now that wouldn't mind somebody just come and give them something. Wouldn't mind. There is much out there better things to do than sit down and just get up and lift on people and lift on people and lift on people. Me have people right now who wouldn't mind me even come and say, it's 2 socks here for your daughter or your son for going to school. People ever tell me something. If you don't have it and you can share, you share. My single man foundation up, back and running, and I need sponsors and I need help for some whole heap of people. People need things. People are think for commit suicide because they don't have it. But know people them can't wait for me say yeah me there at Jamaica. Me not get the show like certain people or whatever like if do certain things, but at the end of the day when it make me give. A whole heap of people look up. They think me like this for come on social media. I cuss people and them. Me not like them something here. Me want to come on social media and do some whole heap of good things. For inspire people. For make people feel good. Help some people. A whole heap of out there who are hungry and want to feed. Me know people did up there and through the pandemic, them down there. Them gone way down. Them hit rock bottom. Who don't mind somebody give them all a $5 to buy some grocery. When me there I work off my ass for help some people I do some good boy. Yeah. People who come disrespect me, boy. Me a shit. You out harder. It hurt me. Me don't care nobody wants it hurt me. Me not business, it hurt me. I regular in class or whatever, but me kind of fed up right now. Me tired of it. So I feel for come talk. I feel for just talk and done. Me no care where I'm after, where I'm want say after or whatever, me just tell him. Say I got shit house like you, where eat shit, sleep shit, walk shit, talk shit, beard with shit. Eat shit with knife and blood clad fork. Where I come get bright with me not have it. Germs, me not have it. Germs, me not have it. You're dead dog. Yeah, one dead dirty dog will sit up on a dirty settee. One shit up stinking settee. Where one come class people every day. Pussy, me not have time for you. You have germs, but me have to tell you this. Me have to make you know. So you use a shit house, you eat shit with knife and fork. You live in a shit, you want shit pit. Me have watching people right now who want food and things and whatever. Pussy, you a dead dog. Me think different from you. Me not bring down people. Uncle, you say want bring me down, and true you bring me down a long time now. Me just feel like me want to talk. Me tired of you. Yeah, you look a stinking followers them what you have. We love come disrespect people. Pussy, me not have it with you. Because you have a confusing spirit. I don't know how people like all on a blood clot ban. You don't have confusing spirit. You just don't like woman. You don't like woman. Where woman there, that woman bring your blood clot come here. All your mother supposed to eat you. Because it's not pussy you born through a body you come through. Your mother have you through her body. And through her body she have you. And your father breed her through her body. That's why you hate woman so and text it from people so. You think my blood clot feel good for me and my pitney. My people come send a dirty stinking video at her. But look at that batty boy at this your mother. A style your mother. A good nice man as a pitney me grow. Me not grow nobody for turn pest to nobody. If me go foreign and let and go foreign for 10 blood clot days or 10 months, I left my pitney them and say yes, I enough stay. And I this enough to do the same routine them I do till I come back. The same routine my pitney them do till I come back. Every blood clot minute when him touch spice topic, I mean him come on me. And when him claim to say he must say something good about me, I have to make spice look bad. When him say you know, he must say something good. I have to make spice look bad. Germs lower for me. Lower for me with your robot dirty blood clot body. Your body will rub out and done out. Cause you're ignorant for woman. Cause body your mother have you true. You get up every day up your dirty blood clot shit upset you, beer fly around you. Pure fly dip on your swarm when you dip on the live. I eat it for talk about. You can't call me shit pussy hole. You can't call me shit. Beer blood clot magic there for your settee. When you sit down for a class me, for what I don't know, I don't trouble you. Anything you see me have little, big, small, and my things there. I don't work with people things. Every minute you dey me like you want forget about no eat spice for what? No for uno can support me. No for uno can subscribe to my Vivo channel. No for uno can buy my music. No for uno can support my foundation because I help people. Me no walk on and follow people. Me no walk and beg likes and followers. People when the life done it done. Big up all the real people that must support Pamputtae and never stop support Pamputtae. If you don't really feel like you don't want to donate to my foundation, link me up in my DM. Me have numbers for me Instagram on you can link up. Because people out there need help. A back to school, a whole heap of mothers need things.